Hey guys, it's been a while. Anyways, I ordered some oddities from an Etsy shop that I will have in the link, but anyways, yeah, let's open it. So this is an oddity starter kit, I think. I might need a different knife, but yeah. Also, I don't know what the mic quality is like, so this is way to get losers. Yes. Wait. Oh, whatever. Anyways, let's see if I can. This is a really bad idea. Okay. Yeah. Ooh, okay, so I've got this butterfly. Is this a sticker? Might just be a cutout. And it has my name and then like a little note. Oh. Here's, oh, well, it's flipped. That sucks. So I got a muskrat jawbone, a beaver tooth, a coyote rib bone, a deer antler, a pheasant feather, a raccoon vertebrae, and wild bird seed. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Okay, well, I think I see the feathers here. Wait, grab them all. Oh my god. Oh my, there's so many. There we go. I will definitely keep those in a jar. Actually, there's still more. Oh, I found the raccoon vertebrae. Look how cool that is. Ah. Here's a deer antler, I want to say. Like, that is all in bags. That is nice. Ooh. And then we got some stuff in bubble wrap. And more feathers. Oh, here's my wild bird seed. Put that away. How many feathers did I get? Okay. So that's all the feathers. And all the stuff in the box. Okay. So, everything. So now we got these three. I'm gonna open the smallest one first. There we go. What is it? So I'm trying to be like very gentle with it because I don't want to break anything since these are really fragile. Ugh. Ugh. Okay, I think I got it. Yeah, there we go. Oh my god. Look at that. It looks like this is the jawbone. It's very cool. Oh wow. Dude, this is like one of my favorites so far. It feels so smooth and like just white. I like that. Next one. I can already kind of see what it is, but it's fine. Get it here. Oh my god. Okay, yeah. This is so fucking cool. I believe This is a beaver tooth. This is so fucking cool. It's also very smooth. It's hollow. I didn't know that. That's cool. Okay. Last thing. So this means that this is the coyote rib bone. Hope it didn't break anything. Boom shakalaka. It's really tiny for a rib bone. But I think that's because it's, I don't know. That's super cool. Anyways, very big shout out to this place. I got all of this for like $15. So I would definitely recommend it. Oh yeah. I don't know how to end it. Bye.